I'm Liza with Locally Seasoned, and we are on set today with PA Preferred, and we're talking about chutney. Chutney is sort of tangy, tart, and sweet all at the same time. It's chunky. You're usually going to have some sort of vegetable, jalapeno, red onion, and it's going to be simmered down with maybe some other dried fruits such as raisins. And there are lots of spices and seasonings in chutney. This is what makes it so beautiful pairing with meats and cheeses. It's going to help cut and balance the fats in your meats and your cheeses. And I can't wait to show you some of the things you can do with chutney. We're going to make a very, very simple ricotta and the tomato apple chutney dip. So to make the dip, you simply grab some of your soft, beautiful ricotta and put it right into a bowl. So we're just going to smash it a little bit and break up the cheese and just make it just a little bit smoother. Then we're grabbing our tomato apple chutney. We're going to use half of our tomato apple chutney, and we're simply going to mix it right in. And really, guys, that's it. That is all you need, nothing else. And to serve this is really very simple. Find a nice shallow serving bowl, spread it nice and wide. It doesn't have to have perfect edges. And then just spoon a little bit more chutney right on the top, right around the center. And it's perfect for dipping. And of course, chutney is perfect on a cheese board. And how do you pair chutney? Well, we have lots of different products at our stand inside New Eastern Market. Today we are working with the pawpaw chutney that we make once a year when pawpaws are in season. It's a very short window. And at our market stand, we also carry hand-cut pickled pink onions, and garlic scapes are in season, so we've pickled up some garlic scapes, and we do make hand-cut pickled vegetables as well. These are condiments that are perfect for your cheese board and go perfectly with chutney. So we've chosen our pawpaw chutney because it's that perfect balance of sweet and tart, and it goes with so many different types of cheeses. A cheese board does not need to be fancy. I would recommend 3 different kinds of cheeses, a couple of pieces of fruit. Go for color. So today we've chosen some blueberries, some red raspberries, and of course the color that comes from all of the different pickled vegetables. We have a very simple cracker. You don't have to get fancy with this. And what do you do with chutney? We have a beautiful label. And around our logo, you will always see an inspirational saying. That's part of our mission at Locally Seasoned, that we want to inspire you in one way, shape, or form. So you simply open up your jar of chutney, and you can take a spoon or an adorable little knife, just put a little bit on some goat cheese just to top it right off. So you're talking about sweet, salty, savory. The salty, of course, comes from the pickles. It comes from your crackers. You have your nutty manchego, a beautiful goat cheese, and some very sharp cheddar that we've sort of chunked off for you. And there you go. Very simple, Pennsylvania preferred cheese board. Thank you, PA Preferred, for having us here today. I'm Liza with Locally Seasoned, and we hope you enjoy these recipes that we've made today. You can find these and many other recipes on our website at locallyseasoned.net.